I'm making this video to make a statement. I want to make another statement. I've made a statement in one of my earlier videos. I don't know if y'all probably have seen it or not, but I made a statement earlier, and it was about watching America's Next Top Model and watching Tyra Banks, and I saw the episode where they gave people flaws. I did a video about that and why I didn't like it, and I still don't. But I wanted to make another statement about determination. This video is another statement, but it's different. It's a different statement. It's just about, this one is about determination. Now, I have a determined mind that I'm going to get a job. It's been really hard for me for some reason as a Muslim woman in the society of surrounded by people who are not always Muslim like me. And it's not easy as people would think it is. It's not. You know, it's really hard for the Muslim woman nowadays trying to get a job in the struggle. You know, you have to really want it. That's the only way I can see you really getting a job. You have to want it so bad where you wouldn't be thirsty. I'm not that person. I'm not that thirsty type to want it so bad where I'm willing to risk my life for something that's not me, you know, or risk anything, period. You know, you should never be that thirsty, period, no matter what the circumstance is. So I have a determined mind to get a job this year. I am determined. And when I say I'm determined, I mean I'm willing to do the hard work, but I'm not willing to do anything just to get a job. So if it don't work out, then it just don't work out. I'm not going to be angry. I'm not going to be mad. I'm not even going to be sad about it, because I know that Allah always knows what tomorrow brings. So I'm not going to be mad. I'm not going to be angry. I'm not going to be upset. I'm just going to wait and see what happens, because I know that time will see. And the more patient you are, the better. You know, you got to remember, you know, good things come to those who are patient, and I just feel like being patient is what really matters. Anybody can give you a job. Anybody can say, here, look, here's the job. You really want this job? Here's the job. But at the end of the day, if you knew that you were thirsty, you had did something thirsty in order to get that job, you had did whatever it took to get that job, your boss is not going to look at you differently once he hires you, and then he looks at another girl who is not as thirsty, who didn't get hired. No, he's going to look at you more so like, wow, you wanted this so bad that you were willing to do anything, not just the hard work. You were willing to do anything, you know, even if it had to do something sexual or personal, you know, because some people do that. They do that, and just for a job. But I'm not willing to go there. I'm not willing to go there just for a job, you know, because it is hard nowadays for people to get a job, for anybody, period, not just a Muslim, but anybody in general. Sometimes you got to be a sellout in order to get a job, and I know that sounds weird. You may think it's strange, but some women or some men really just need a job, and they're willing to do whatever it takes because of how bad it's gotten, you know. But I will say they are building a lot of new places. They are trying. Garfield is trying. I don't know about anywhere else. I just know where I'm from. Garfield is trying. You know, the city of Garfield is trying. Okay. Because at first it was really bad, and there were no jobs for nobody, but it seems to be getting a little bit better, and I'm really thankful for that, you know, that I can try to go get a job. But I know this may seem really weird to you. You might think, okay, well, there's so many jobs in your area, why haven't you been trying to get a job? I have. That's just it. I applied for like every store in my plaza, except for one store that I'm about to apply for. I'm not going to say the name of the store, but I'm going to apply for the store, and I really pray that I get this job. It doesn't mean I'm going to get the job, because, I mean, for someone like me to sit here and say, I'm going to get the job, I would be lying, because that's not true, because I put in so many applications that you can see the stress marks under my eyes. That's how stressful that was. Like, and still never got a phone call. I never got anything. I even had one person tell me, I'm going to call you. Never happened. So never give up hope and faith, though, is my point in my statement. Never give up hope and faith. Never think that you just can't get a job because if you're a Muslim or because you're Arab or because whatever your religion is. And I want to make another statement, one more statement. When I'm about to fill out an application, and I've always felt this way, period, about applications, period, I always wonder, why does what does it matter what religion I am? Why does that matter to you? You know, the color of my skin. What does my ethnicity matter to you? I mean, if you can see I'm black, I'm black. If I'm white, I'm white. Why does that matter? I've always wondered why that mattered to the manager or whoever, the corporate, whoever looks at it. Why does my religion? Why does it matter if I'm black or Hispanic or Puerto Rican or white or Asian? Why does that matter? Why does my ethnicity matter at all to someone who's trying to do business with me? Why does that matter to you? That's to me, that's personal of what my ethnicity is or something like that. So if you're going to ask those questions, you got to be able to back them up. Why? Why does that matter? Why do you want to know that? You know, I'm looking at you, and I can see if you're white or if you're black. Why do I need to ask you if you're white or you're black when I'm looking right at you? I know an Asian person when I see an Asian person. I know a Hispanic person when I see a Hispanic person. I know a Latino person when I see a Latino person. I don't need to ask them what their lineage is. And everyone has a lineage. But at the end of the day, what does it matter if you can clearly see they're black or white or whatever they are? So I just feel like that's weird to put that in an application. But, you know, hey, it is what it is. I'm not mad at all. I just wanted to make a statement saying, what does that matter? Why does it matter ever? Why does it ever even matter? But anyway, don't ever think that there's no faith or hope left for you out there, because never just feel like you have to do anything and everything for a job, because there's always hope and faith. You just got to have hope and faith knowing that it's possible to get a job, strictly business, not just, you know, being a sellout or whatever it takes. Because some people will literally hire you just for you being a sellout. But always remember, knowing that they're there looking at you, knowing what you did with them or whatever you did with them to save the job, they're always going to look at you with a disgusted look, period. So you should never want to do that. Never want to fit in so much or want the job so dirtily that you willing to do whatever it takes. I'm not saying nothing wrong with trying every day, because you got to be a go-getter. Go and get it. But at the end of the day, never risk your life for anyone or anybody. Know that it's possible to get a job. It's very hard for me, yes. I'm not going to sit up here, like I said, I'm not going to sit up here in front and lie. It's hard. I want to say H-E-L-L, but I'm not going to say that. But that's how I feel sometimes. Like, it's that hard. Like, but it doesn't mean I'm going to quit. Doesn't mean I'm a quitter. I'm a go-getter. I go and get it. But point blank period. My point is just don't stop trying. Because somebody tell you no. One person can tell you no. Hey, second person can tell you no. Fifth person can tell you no. But you might get to that 13th person and they say yes. And as hard as that sounds and stressful as that sounds, you might get to that one person who says, you got the job. Just don't quit and don't be a sellout. Because at the end of the day, once you finally do get the job, was it really worth it? Knowing you have to do what you have to do just to get the job. Was it worth it? You have to ask yourself that sometimes. Always ask yourself before you do something, what's going to be the outcome? Is it going to be worth it? Or am I going to be sad, miserable, and in pain my whole life? Trust me, you don't want to live like that. You know, and I will be doing an update saying whether I got the job or not. I'm almost positive that I'm not. But at the same time, there's nothing wrong with trying. There's nothing wrong, like I said, never give up hope, never give up faith. Just try and try and try until you get to where you need to be. Never quit. Ever. And that's my statement. Never quit. Assalamu alaikum.